Looking at a blank playlist and wondering how to actually start drawing your music? FL Studio has simplified the way we move from a single sound to a full arrangement. Today, I'm showing you the fastest way to open the piano roll and paint those patterns directly onto your tracks. Let's turn those ideas into a song. Alright, so first we need to choose our instrument. So open your channel rack, F6, right-click the button of the plugin you want to play, like a synth or a piano, and select Piano Roll. The move this year is, if you're stuck for ideas, use the new AI chord assistant inside the roll to generate a progression. Once you've clicked in your notes, now your pattern is ready. But right now, it's just a loop in the background. We need to get it onto the track. Okay, and now let's move to the playlist. And this is your track view. Make sure your new pattern is selected in the picker panel on the left. Grab the brush tool and simply click on an empty lane in the playlist. If you want to see the notes inside the clip, double-click the top of the pattern in the playlist. This quick edit mode this year lets you tweak MIDI without even leaving the main arrangement view. It's a massive time saver for fast-paced sessions. Your melody is now locked into your arrangement. Hopefully we helped you out today to build a new track. If so, smash like and subscribe.